Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to turn on the game mode on the Samsung Q90 QLED set. And first things first, you're going to want to plug something into one of the HDMIs. So that's going to be a video game system, or we have a little device here to test the input lag. So that's what we have plugged in. So you're going to hit your home button to start off, and then obviously go to the input that you're plugged into. We're in HDMI 3 here, so we'll make sure we're there. And then from there, you hit the home button again, and you're gonna hit right until you get over to settings, and then hit up and go all the way over to where it says game mode here. And right now it's off. If you turn it on, you're gonna be on game mode, but now what you wanna do to get the best lag times is actually press up here and then go to game mode settings. So press the directional button center once you go up there, and you're gonna wanna go down to game motion plus settings and make sure that is unchecked. This is going to give you better lag times when you're playing video games. Game Motion Plus has its place if you're playing slower moving games, but for faster lag times, you're gonna wanna turn that off. So that's how you turn on game mode to get the best lag times. Thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned because we're gonna have more videos coming.